No Ohio government actions occurred on June 23, 2026 that match the scope of your request, e.g., major statewide legislative activities, enforcement actions, or public events with official state officials, because the available search results do not contain records of such events for that specific date at the state level. The only relevant government actions documented for June 23, 2026 are local in nature, specifically the Loveland, Ohio City Council Meeting 1 and a North Canton City Council Bulletin 3. At the Loveland City Council meeting on June 23, 2026, the Loveland City Council, a local agency, adopted Resolution 52 by a vote of 7-0-1. A key provision of this resolution was to award a purchase agreement with citywide demolition for the removal of the property at 128 North Riverside Drive, which the city had purchased through the Clean Ohio Program 1. The council also held a public hearing and considered a second reading of ordinances regarding proposed amendments to Section 111 for recreation fees and mayor's court fines and costs 1. Additionally, the council reviewed a report from the Planning and Zoning Commission regarding zoning text amendments to the Loveland Code of Ordinances 1. The North Canton City Council issued a council bulletin on June 23, 2026, but the search results do not provide details of specific legislative activities or enforcement actions contained within that Bulletin 3. Regarding statewide actions, the only related announcement found in the search results was made by Ohio Governor Mike DeWine, an official, but it concerned an event scheduled for June 26, 2026, not June 23, 2026. Governor DeWine announced that Ohio will end its participation in pandemic-era federal unemployment programs on June 26, 2026 too. No other legislative activities, enforcement actions, e.g., by the Attorney General, or major public events with state officials were recorded for June 23, 2026 in the provided search results. A ballot initiative titled Ohio Right to Civil Action Against Government Actors and Prohibit Immunity Defenses for Constitutional Violations exists for 2026, which would add Section 23 to the Ohio Constitution, but the search results do not indicate any specific government action or vote on this initiative occurred on June 23, 2026 for. No major state public events, such as the Ohio Commission on Eastern European Affairs or Ohio Department of Agriculture events, were scheduled for June 23, 2026. The Ohio Commission on Eastern European Affairs event is scheduled for June 25, 2026 5. The City of Athens posted information about July 4 activities on June 23, 2026, but the event itself is in July, not June 23 7. The Ohio Department of Agriculture celebrated Ohio Wine Month in June 2026, but this was a general monthly celebration, not a specific event on June 23 8. In summary, there were no major Ohio state government actions, legislative, enforcement, or statewide public events with officials on June 23, 2026, according to the available data. The only confirmed actions were local municipal meetings in Loveland and North Canton. Governor DeWine's announcement regarding the end of federal unemployment programs is a state-level action, but the effective date is June 26, 2026, not June 23, 2026 2.